Former Chief Justice of India Ranjan Gogoi took oath as a member of Rajya Sabha on Thursday amid jeers and chants of shame from the Congress and other opposition parties that believe the appointment smack of the quid pro quo and severely compromises the independence of the judiciary. All opposition parties except the Samajwadi parties walked out in protest in the middle of the oath. They will welcome me very soon, Justice Gogoi said later, unfazed by the unprecedented booing during his swearing-in.
I, Ranjan Gogoi, having been nominated a member of the Council of States, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India.
Law Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad came to Justice Gogoi's defense saying Rajya Sabha has a great traditions of many eminent persons coming from diverse fields, including former Chief Justices.
Sir, no discussion, but we want to...
This House has a great tradition of many eminent persons coming of diverse field, including of former Chief Justices being nominated by those who, I regretfully I say, I shouted. The Honourable Member Gogoi, who has taken oath today,
no discussion. Minister,
will surely contribute his best as a nominated member.
Right.
And it was grossly unfair to do like that.
The chairperson of the Rajya Sabha, President M. Venkaiah Naidu, said there were established rules and precedents for the appointment and the position was not right to behave this way. While Ranjan Gogoi, who retired as the country's top judge just 4 months ago, had defended taking up the role, saying his presence in the parliament will be an opportunity to project the views of the judiciary before the legislative and vice versa. Justice Gogoi was part of many landmark judgments, including the Ayodhya verdict, in which the Supreme Court handed over the disputed site claimed by both Hindus and Muslims for the Ram Temple and ordered a different site for a mosque. The Congress has called Justice Gogoi's appointment a serious, unprecedented and unpardonable assault on the basic structure of the Constitution.
सब जानते हैं कि रंजन गोगोई चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया थे और उन्होंने काफ़ी सारे कंट्रोवर्शियल वर्डिक्ट उन्हीं के हाथ से निकाला और तुरंत ही उनकी सीजीआई पोस्ट खत्म होते ही हमारे सरकार उन्हें राज्यसभा की पद को नवाजा किया। तो इसमें सबको ये महसूस होता है कि अंदर में कुछ बात है और सिर्फ हम लोग ही नहीं, उनकी खुद बिरादरी के लोग, जैसे कि मतलब जुडिशियल फ्रेटर्निटी जो है, उनको भी ये कहना है कि रंजन गोगोई साहब ने सही काम नहीं किया। उन्होंने जो किया वो हमारा न्यायालय की जो गरिमा, वो गरिमा को ठेस पहुंचाएंगे। ये मैं नहीं, उनकी बिरादरी के लोग कह रहे हैं।
The former CJI was nominated to the Rajya Sabha by President Ramnath Kovind on March 16. Gogoi, 65, retired as CJI last November after a tenure of a little over 13 months. He will be the first former CJI to be nominated to Rajya Sabha, with opposition parties kicking up a controversy and criticizing his appointment. Bureau Report.